Okay, so welcome back to this course. So in the previous video we have saved the shipping info in the local storage and we are done with this component. And now let's first of all create here the checkout steps. Alright, so I simply go back and I close the store.js and I go to the cart. Oops. In the cart folder I create here a new file that is called checkoutsteps.js. Okay, so check out steps.js, and let's put in here RACFE to create my basic markup, and I simply have to only bring in the link. So import the link from React.DOM, and in the parameters here I simply have to pull out the shipping and then the confirm order and then the payment. Right, so we have three checkout steps: shipping, then the confirm order, and then the payment. So we have to pass these three steps. On which step we are, for example, we are on payment step, we have to pass these threes. If we are on confirm order, we have to pass these twos, and if we are on step 1, we only have to pass shipping, and I will show you later how it will work. So first of all, I will simply put in here the class name. So class name, I don't have the HTML markup for this one, so I have to type it, and I have already classes in my CSS file. So first class is the checkout progress. Okay, then deflex, use the flex property here, and then simply justify content center. Alright, then margin top of 5, and in the div, first of all I create check that if we are on shipping step. Okay, so for example, shipping is the first step, so if we are on the shipping step, then I simply create here the link to /shipping. Oh, why I'm making these mistakes. Okay, to shipping, and the class name is going to be float right, so I float it on the right, and then in this link, first of all, I put in here 3 divs. So div with the class of triangle dash 2. Okay, sorry, triangle 2 dash active. Okay, and then we have in this, I simply put in here step. Okay, and then the active step, active dash step. I will explain you in a minute. And then we have the triangle dash active, and if that shipping doesn't exist, for example we are not on shipping page, then I simply put in here the link to on nothing, and then disabled. Okay, and alright, and then also close this, and then in here I simply put these 3 divs. Now I'd have to display here first of all the triangle to incomplete. Okay, and then the step, and that is incomplete. Okay, so step incomplete, and then the triangle which is not active, which is incomplete. Okay, so now if I go to my CSS file just to show you that what is happening here with these classes. So first of all, let's go to the triangle. So press Ctrl F, triangle. Okay, so the first class we have used here is that whenever we are on that particular step, we have to use here triangle to active. So triangle to active will have this color, this orange color, because this is now active, and then we have step, active step. So step, active step is here. So this is the step, okay, and this is active step. Okay, so that's background color will be this, and the text color will be white. And also the triangle is active because we are in that current step. So triangle active will also make this orange. Okay, so this is basically an arrow. And then if we are not on shipping page, then we have to incomplete all these threes. So incomplete will basically make it gray, this color. Okay, so light gray. So these are the CSS classes. These are not very complex things. If I simply save it, and now let's actually copy this one. So Control C, put it here, and then we have the confirm order. So confirm order. So if we are on confirm order, then we have to move to /order/confirm. Alright, then triangle to active step, triangle active, and then on disabled we have again these threes. And here we also have to put in this div I have to put in the shipping, because this is the middle part. So this is the back side of the arrow. Okay, this is the middle side of the arrow, and this is the front side of the arrow. So in the middle I have to put in here the text itself, shipping, and then here we have the confirm order. So simply copy it, Control C, and you can also put here like simple CSS. Like if you don't want to display here arrows, you can simply put in here like 1, 2, and 3 simply. All right. Then after confirm order we have the payment. Okay, so I will go to /payment. Okay, and then here I will put here the payment. Control C, put that here, and let's actually test it out. If I simply save it, and if I go to my shipping, I simply import here. So import checkout steps, checkout steps from ./checkout steps. All right, and then let's actually put them here after this one. So checkout steps. Okay, and then in checkout steps we have to pass here the on which step we are. So right now we are on shipping, so I simply pass here shipping. Alright, simply save it, and if I go back, and you will see here, boom, we are on the shipping page. So now shipping page is active. Alright, and the confirm order is like, and this is not clickable because we are not on that particular. Okay, so shipping, confirm order, and the payment. So if I click on continue, I don't have here because I don't have yet created the confirm, but when we go to confirm, we will actually see that checkout step. Alright, so now we are done with this. In the next video, I will create first of all the confirm order details component, and then we will move on toward our payments. Alright, so I will see you in the next video.